Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in this Ford Fusion. You do not have to disconnect any cables. Leave the mass airflow sensor connected. You want to release these two tabs and you want to disengage from back here. You're going to lift and you're going to bring forward. Once you disengage, just reach in and remove the air filter. Once you remove the air filter, like always, make sure it's clean in here and then clean in the airbox. Once all that's clean, reinstall the air filter. And you want to hinge it from the back first. And then install the locking tabs. And that's how you change the air filter in a Ford Fusion with the EcoBoost engine.